In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the E40 error on an AEG washing machine. So what is the E40 error? If your AEG washing machine displays error E40 or emits 4 beeps or 4 flashes when the door is not closed correctly, or there's a problem with the door lock. So let's go over some likely causes. Either the door lid is not fully closed. There might be laundry caught between the door seal and glass door. There might be too many garments, which means the washing machine will overload. The child safety lock is enabled. Usually, this will be highlighted on the control panel. Simply press the highlighted button for 3 to 5 seconds to disable the child lock. Either restart the appliance, there might be a broken latch, or there might be a broken door lock. And that's how you fix the E40 error on an AEG washing machine. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!